Are you tired of getting denied by big banks? Are you sick of having your credit pulled only to get a tiny $500 limit that does absolutely nothing for your goals?
Okay, money magnets, what if I told you there's a credit union hiding in plain sight that hands out up to $100,000 in personal loans? It also gives you 60 days of no payment on auto loans, and wait for it, anyone can join.
Look, that's right. No military affiliation required.
Wow.
No crazy hoops to jump through. Today, we're exposing all the secrets of DCU Federal Credit Union.
So welcome back, money magnets. If you're ready to stop playing small and start securing high limit funding you deserve, you are in the right place. I'm Gloria.
I'm Marvin. Do us a huge favor right now. Smash the like button and share this video with someone that needs the capital right now. Also, drop the word ready in the comments below so we know that you're engaged, you love this content, and you're ready to level up. And Gloria, baby, let's get to it.
Okay, now, before we get to the $100,000 personal loans, and you definitely want to stick around for that.
Yeah.
Let's talk about how you actually get into DCU, okay?
Right.
A lot of people think credit unions are impossible to join, but guess what? Not this one.
Exactly. DCU stands for Digital Federal Credit Union, and they make it incredibly easy.
Yes.
You don't have to work for a specific company or live in Massachusetts.
Wow.
Look, if you aren't eligible through a family member or an employer, you can join by simply becoming a member of one of those participating organizations, some of which only cost a one-time donation.
Okay, Marvin, here's the kicker. And it only takes $5 deposit to open a savings account and establish your membership. Money magnets, we're talking $5. You probably spent that on coffee this morning. I know I did.
But here's the absolute cash flow changer. Don't get mad at us, guys. Get with us.
Yes.
We know a lot of you may have some bruised credit files, but look in the description below. We got something that can help you with that.
Yes, Marvin, because once you a member, they give you a free monthly FICO score. That right there can be a cash flow changer. So you'll always know exactly where you stand before you're applying for funding.
And I want you guys to realize for most of these credit unions and banks, to get the best rates, you need a 700 credit score.
Facts.
But all right, let's talk about the three main credit cards that they have, because they have something for everybody, no matter where you are in your credit journey.
Okay, first up, money magnets, is the Visa Platinum card. This is their lower rate powerhouse, okay? We're talking about rates as low as 12% APR.
Yeah.
If you're carrying a balance or you need to transfer some debt from a high interest big bank card, this is your weapon. You don't want to sleep on this, okay? So there's no annual fees, okay? No balance transfer fees, and there's also no foreign transaction fees. So if you're a traveler, this is the card for you.
Exactly. Second is the Visa Signature Cash Rewards cards. This is for your everyday spenders. Look, you can get high limits, cash back on your purchases, and it sits at a competitive rate of 14.75 APR. And again, no annual fee.
But check this out, Marvin. If you're looking to rebuild, you know, your credit may have been shaky and you're trying to rebuild it. That brings us to this card, the number 3 card, okay? The Visa Platinum Secured Card.
And look, don't sleep on secured cards. We get a lot of people that call us every day, and they've stacked up a bunch of authorized users to get a high score. But guess what? You still can't borrow anything. So these secured cards at DCU can be as low as 15% APR. And it acts exactly like a traditional credit card to the bureaus. It is the perfect stepping stone to unlock those massive unsecured limits a little bit later, usually about 6 months, and then you can convert over to a unsecured card.
Okay, so now, what if you're in the market for a car? Y'all know Marvin just bought me that nice Tesla, okay? DCU is famous in the credit union world for the auto loans. Why? Let's talk about that. Because when you get approved, you get 60 days of no payment, money magnets. That right there is most definitely a cash flow changer, Marvin.
Wait. Let me say it again. So you drive off the lot and you don't owe a dime for 2 entire months?
Yes.
That keeps cash in your pocket when you need it most, especially if you do Turo, DoorDash, or Uber.
Exactly, Marvin. And they don't just do standard car loans. DCU offers antique car loans. So if you're looking to purchase, one of those nice antique old school cars, guess what? This is the place for you. If you're looking to invest in a classic car, they have specialized funding just for that as well.
And they also offer what's called an access loan, guys. And the thing about an access loan, this is a special mobility loan for vehicles equipped with handicap accessibility features. They truly cater to specific needs of their members. I really like them for that.
Okay, but hold up, Marvin. We're about to drop Gloria's amazing gem regarding their massive personal loans. But first, let's talk about your business.
Okay, so a lot of you watching are entrepreneurs, or you want to be. You may want to start something. You're looking for small business credit cards and small business loans, correct? So DCU offers both, you guys. So this is a great credit union.
Okay, but once you have a relationship with them on the personal side, you can also pivot to their business side. They offer lines of credit and term loans to help you scale, buy equipment, or cover payroll.
But listen, you can't just walk in blind, okay? If your business isn't structured correctly, even a generous credit union like DCU, they might deny you. So I need you guys to slow down a second. Don't just rush and join. Make sure your credit profile looks great, above 700. Next, make sure your business is set up properly as far as you have your EIN, correct address, and a phone number.
Okay, Marvin, that's exactly why we do what we do. If you need a bulletproof system to raise capital and build business credit, we helped thousands of business owners do exactly that.
And you know what, guys? We're going to leave some spots open just for you guys, our subscribers. Go to the description right now and click the pinned comment and book a free business strategy call with our team. Look, we're going to sit down with you on Zoom. We're going to look at your specific situation and map out exactly how you can get funded. Look, don't leave these approvals on the table, guys. Don't miss this money out here. Book that call today.
All right, Marvin, it's time for the Gloria's amazing gem. We teased it at the beginning, and here it is. DCU offers personal loans up to $100,000. That's a cash flow changer.
And also, guys, remember $100,000 unsecured. You can use this to consolidate debt, fund a major life event, or even strategically inject into a new business venture.
And remember, for personal products, they are pulling Equifax. So if your other credit bureaus are not clean, guess what? You're still in the game. If your Equifax is clean, optimize, and you have the income to support it, DCU has the liquid to fund you heavily. So don't forget that. No collateral required. This is amazing, Marvin.
But look, guys, they don't stop there. DCU is a full-service powerhouse. If you're a homeowner, they offer incredibly competitive home equity loans. All right, you can pull the equity right out of your house to fund your next big business move. And that's probably one of the cheapest ways to fund the business.
Okay, so if you're looking to buy, Marvin, their home buyers mortgages have some of the lowest closing costs in the industry. That's crazy.
And when you look at this, guys, over the last 4 to 6 years, a lot of houses have appreciated. I'm serious. Look, write this down. This is a pro tip. If you're looking to start a business, your home equity could be the lowest interest that you could possibly pay. But keep in mind, you got to have a great business plan. Now, here's another unique one that they have. The energy efficiency loans. If you want to install solar panels, upgrade your HVAC, or weatherize your home, they will give you a specialized low interest loan just to make sure your home is more green. And they are literally paying you to save money on your electricity bill.
Okay, so what Marvin is saying is you've got the blueprint, okay? You know they target Equifax.
Right.
We've given you that, Jim. You know it only takes $5 to join this credit union.
Yes.
And you also know they have up to $100,000 in personal loans and 60 days of no payments on the autos waiting for you.
But look, here's the real question. Now that you have access to this massive funding, what are you going to do with it? All right. If you take $50,000 from DCU and put it into a business that isn't properly structured, I don't want you guys to lose it all.
Exactly, Marvin. You need to know how to separate your personal credit from your business credit so you are protected, money magnets.
And that's why you need to watch this video right here where we break down exactly how to structure your LLC so banks will be throwing money at you.
So we'll see you in the next video.
And let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.